Portage assembled the world's biggest announcement on the España Building in Madrid, Spain, to promote its littlest hybrid, the revived EcoSport. The Guinness Book of World Records ensured that the 5,262 square meter storing, weighing 2,000 kilograms, beat the past world's biggest board by 241.93 square meters. In our units, that is 56,971 square feet, obliterating the scales at 4,400 pounds, and a triumphant edge of 2,604 square feet. It additionally implies the announcement weighs 1,040 pounds, in excess of a Ford EcoSport SES AWD, and it would take 3 of those hybrids to tow the promotion. The EcoSport's been on special in Europe since 2014, however the Minarruta got a large group of updates for the market this year. Another 1.5-liter, 3-chamber EcoBlue motor extends the powertrain family, and it can be had with Ford's intelligent all-wheel drive, a spic and span alternative following 4 years of front drivers as it were. The inside earned a makeover, and Ford included more personalization decisions, including a more extensive number of differentiating rooftop hues. A lively ST-line trim presents an appearance bundle that sportifies the delicate bits, and tunes the suspension. All things being equal, there's hardly any going ahead there to warrant the cost and uproar of making the world's biggest announcement, particularly for a vehicle that was at that point offering admirably. Notwithstanding, doing as such has permitted to Ford make its ginormous point the whole way across Europe, and bear the buzz conveyed the world, specifically to the hybrid's new and imperative American market. The work of art will stay up until the finish of February, when the sign will be given to Spain's España Foundation, a business place for individuals with inabilities, where a moment life will be given to the greater part of the materials utilized.